have studied how carbon dioxide is removed as waste from the body through the lungs during exhalation. We also recalled that the undigested food is removed during digestion. Let us now find out how the other waste materials are removed from the body. You may wonder where these unwanted materials come from. When our cells perform their functions, certain waste products are released. These are toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. The process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organism is called excretion. And the parts involved in excretion form the excretory system. So this is the kidney. The inner part of the kidney is like this. So the waste has to be removed from the body. So a mechanism to filter the blood is required, So this is done by the blood capillaries. Okay, this is the blood capillaries. And when the blood reaches the two kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood by arteries. We can see this green color. I have made it green color. This is the arteries. And the waste dissolved in water are removed as urine. The waste come from these veins. Okay. So this we say the kidney. The kidney, what is the function of kidney? Yes, it filters the blood. Okay. Excretory system in humans. The waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. How can this be done? A mechanism to filter the blood is required. This is done by the blood capillaries in the kidneys. When the blood reaches the two kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood. The waste dissolved in water are removed as urine from the kidney. The urine as urine. From the kidneys, the urine goes to the urinary bladder through tube-like ureters. It is stored in the bladder and is passed out through the urinary opening at the end of a muscular tube called urethra. This is the kidneys, two kidneys. Let's recall. From the kidney to the ureter, and from the ureter to the urinary bladder, and from the urinary bladder to the urethra, and at last the urinary opening. We all have experienced that we sweat on a hot summer day. The sweat contains water and salts. Bojo has seen that sometimes in summer white patches are formed on our clothes, especially in our areas like underarms. These marks are left by salt present in the sweat. Does sweat serve any other function? We know that the water kept in an earthen pot matka is cooler. This is because the water evaporates from the pores of the pot, which causes cooling.